Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, let's go mono audio. That's crazy. Yo. Hello, microphone. Hello, pepperonis. Okay, it works. Awesome. Where you at, pepperonis? Yes, I'm chronically online. Chat. How do I open chat? Chat. Where is it? Is there a chat? How do I open chat? I don't think I can. Oh, that sucks. Oh boy, it works. I can really go live without telling anyone, like a badass. Ah, I don't know if that updated. Oh, it did. That's lovely. Random all live stream. Oh no, I accidentally went live. Oh, what the heck? That's weird. Oh, no. Wait, how do I get the link to the stream? Oh, there it is. Guys, I'm back from the dead. After not making a single video, not making a single peep. Hello. I'm back, guys. I came back. So, okay, yeah, say hi then. Ugh. Hello. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I saw some guy um live stream making his game. I was like, I remember doing that. I want to do that now. So I put up the live stream. The people don't want this. They want top op. They're never getting top op. The Chainsaw Man game. Um. We do what the professionals call taking a um. I stopped working on it. That's what I'm trying to say. Devil Battleground. Yeah. Let's show him top op. Because that was my pride and joy. Where did that go? Surely, surely the best creation I had was actually PvP sword fight. A little known fact. That was the first game I ever made on Roblox. I'm pretty sure. Um, how can I get my mind off the fear of scripting? You know, I was like thinking so hard about like scripting last night that I like couldn't sleep, which is pretty cool. Bro, cat, what do you want? Freaking cats, man. Freaking freaking guys. Uh dude, where is top off? I can't find it. New bro New Royale. Uh Escape the office obby, dude. Let me just tell you, my old games were probably the best ones like ever. Sleep deprived? No. Well, actually, everyone thinks I'm sleep deprived constantly. Like, it's like I'm never beating the accusations. So honestly, yeah, maybe I am just sleep deprived. I don't really know. 1 second, chat. 1 second. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Oh wait, no, that's not my microphone. All right. Yep. Top off. Let's get it. Let's get it. Top off. Oh yeah. You see, real OGs know about this game because um because this was like the first thing I made devlogs on and then gave up on. Yeah, that's me. Failure Battleground. That's not my game. That's JR's game. It's fire. Look, he shoots you if you pull a gun out. Oh, actually, he didn't. Anyway, if you this is my YouTube profile picture. This is it right here. This is the guy. Oh shit. All right, I'm gonna hop off that and actually work on my game. Evangelion game, guys. Evangelion game. Real OGs know about Streamer Simulator. Wait, like no wait, that I'm thinking of that phone game. Like what was it? Was it YouTuber Simulator? The one it was like you're like I forgot. My mic is chopped. Wait, hold on. What mic am I using? Is it cooked? Am I cooked? No, this is my normal microphone. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it is actually. I don't know. Streamer Sim where you before and yeah, there was like some mobile game that was like that. I remember when I played it when I was like a little kid, but I forgot what it is now, which is sad. I wish I didn't. I wish I knew what it was still. Oh, it might have been YouTuber Simulator. I'm gonna look this up. Oh my god, is this it? YouTuber's Life. I think it was. Actually, I don't know. No, it wasn't. No. PewDiePie's Tuber Simulator. Oh my, that's what it was. That's what it was. Oh my, yeah. Dude, that game was awesome. I loved that game. That game was really fun. The ADHD kicking in, dude. I might have ADHD. No, actually, I don't know. I probably don't. I could. If I did, maybe I should do like a TikTok diagnosis because those are like scientifically accurate, right? So I mean, it's like yeah, I should do that. You probably do, bum. All right, bro. It's the same thing with like autism. It's I like sometimes I think to myself, it's like, bro, I swear, and no disrespect to like autistic people or anything, but it's like, so I swear I'm like autistic or something, bro. But I've never been to like, I had any diagnosis for that, so I wouldn't know. But hey, man, what are you supposed to talk about when you're coding? I mean, it's either this, it's either I chat it up um or I'm absolutely dead silent making a game. Oh, that reminds me. We need the background music. I'm not doing game night yet. I might do it later. Um uh No copyright background music. This is the worst stuff to listen to ever, and I'm gonna probably get um monetization cut anyways. Talk about your 7 years experience at Blizzard. Yo, what's that one guy? What's that one guy? The something pirate. The guy that like got exposed for being acid coding. I forgot what his name was. That's what that reminded me of. What is this? What is this trash all music? Yo, what is this? Wait, hold on. Let me pull this up. What is this? Oh, best Minecraft music for Minecraft videos. Oh shoot. Yo. Yo, is this tough? Is this tough? Dude, the Ian freestyle is so ass. Is actually so ass. Like, it's not even funny. I don't know why people like that. What is this? Has YouTube made me an album? Music. God, bro, I'd rather put on like no, I'm not putting on music. I'd rather do anything else. Genuinely anything else. Not tough. You gotta work a job and not be a bum. Dude, I have a job. Okay, you guys aren't gonna believe me, but I do have a job. I'm not gonna say where, because then I'd like, well, that wouldn't be good. But I do have a job. It's true. It's true. No, I saw that guy's message. No, I'm not using it. I'm not. I do use the service and controller like structure thing, but I do not use knit. I used to, but like even Sleetnik, the guy who made knit, says like don't use it because you can you can just make a script. Let me find it. Like, okay, this server script, right? You can just make a script that loads a bunch of modules and calls a start function. And it does the like exact same thing as what like knit does. So it's not that great. You don't need to use knit. But the service controller like setup is good in my opinion. Yeah. I think uh Devil Battlegrounds, not the rewrite, the original Devil Battlegrounds. I think I used knit with that. Knit is too complicated for its own good. It actually I don't really remember the API that much, but uh oh shoot. Damn Ethernet cable. Yo. Uh okay. Yeah, my Ethernet cable likes to just break sometimes and just disconnect me, so that might happen. Um yeah, knits it's okay. But I don't recommend using it anymore. It's like it's past its prime. Have I heard of Even Dead Sea? I'm in their Discord server. I because one time, hold on. I'm in. Because one time I was just bored and I looked up Evangelion games on Roblox and then I found it. It looks cool. It looks really cool. Um I don't think it's like exactly what I'm trying to make, but like it's cool. My cat's batting something around. I don't know what. Oh, you're a tester for them? That's cool. Yeah, I've seen like some of their leaks and like the models and stuff, and it looks like really promising. I hope they. I don't know when it's coming out or anything, but I hope like it's sometime like soon, and I hope they don't get in any like legal trouble for uh like infringement. What do they only have like one scripter? That's not good. Honestly, like if you're working on a huge game like that, like you need a team because like you can't just force one guy to do all that. how they move player wise. What is it like? What is it like? I don't, because I don't. I know the game exists. I've seen some of it. I haven't seen much gameplay. I've seen like one clip of a Evangelion like running like Mach speed or something, but that's about it. I haven't really seen that much. Ray Goon minigame. Oh yeah, I should add hospital scene. It's actually like it's so buns, bro. I hate like how whenever people talk about Evangelion, it's oh my god, the hospital scene, the hospital scene. It's like, come on, bro. It's actually it's like an actual good like story too, and then but nah, it's like no, people dumb it down to hospital scene. All right, bro. You got that. No, I don't. I'm not the one. I'm not the one that makes the hospital scene jokes. It's like, it's like cool. It happened. I don't know. Kind of an odd choice, but like, it. The author like put it in there for a reason. Not saying they should have or that it was like good in any way, but that was their choice. I do have create game humanoid, but it's not a real function. He should have. Well, I mean, that's what the rebuild movies were, you know. Yeah, no, definitely could have done it another way. Again, I'm not excusing that. It's like, cause it's like, what the hell, like, and I remember watching it. It's like so out of nowhere too. What am I writing? This is not the right function. I can like only like think of one thing at a time. Damn, it's actually so dead with that music though. I might have to find something. But I hate no copyright music. If I put on Undertale OST, alright, might be buns, but it's better than listening to half of the NCS music, bro. Like I'd rather listen to anything else. um, Terraria OST. I always put the Terraria OST on, so it's like, all right, I'm gonna do something else. Let me crack a window, bro. It's kind of getting hot. Michael, don't leave me here. Loki, in or out, dude. In or out. My cat cannot make up his mind, and it's like, and then he goes and meows at the door. Slap battle song. Alright, bro. Calamity OST. Nah, I already got this on. I'm thinking the VG game. It kind of is. Or if we're talking about my game, then yeah, it kind of is. I would never watch the end of Evangelion with my parents, even though I want to like show them Evangelion, but I don't know. If I show my parents, they probably wouldn't be that interested. Damn. Wait, I don't know what's a good volume because the volume on my headphones is different. Damn, wait, skip this. Okay. I can F with this. I can F with this. This is good. Yeah, you just gotta skip past all the like intro songs. I've lost my train of thought though completely. I can't lie. Really? Oh, that's right. What's this? If this is a shared function, I should really move this. Yeah. Wait, does it do the same thing? I think it does the same thing. Yeah, this should be shared. I forgot how good the Undertale soundtrack is. I haven't listened to it in a long time. I played the new Deltarune chapters, so those are really fun. They were fun. Well, honestly, the fourth chapter is kind of a drag, but I had fun. You didn't answer the question. What was the question? What was the question? Re-ask the question. I use VS Code for Git integration, even though I hardly make Git commits when I should be doing it way more often. Better type checker. I just like VS Code more, honestly. That's what that's honestly what it really dumbs down to. Shit. What did I press? I moved my keyboard, now I'm like cooked. There we go. Alright, bro, skip this. Surely there's a good one. Oh. Alright, whatever. Let me get a chance for it. Let's see this. I'm curious. Wait, is it my actual server? Wait. Oh, what the hell? Is it the general of their server? I'm so confused now. Oh, there it is. Wow. I like the camera movement, but it's also like a little much. Some people might not like that, so that I hope they make a setting to like camera wobble with the view bobbing is kind of like, I don't know. Do they have IK? Wait. Dude, I tried to add IK. It didn't go well. It didn't go well. I'm really dumb and not like great at math. And honestly, this game is not that high effort. There's like no way I'm. Yeah. IK foot planning. That's what we're talking about. Yeah, when I added it, the character started tweaking out. It was pretty bad. I mean, you know, like if I really like tried, like really focused, really tried to learn how to do it, I could probably get it in the game. It's just like, it's like, man, I don't care that much. It's not necessary. Yeah, this shit all. This should all move. I had this weird thing going on where I made like a rapper class for humanoids so I could add like dashing functionality because I wanted it to be easily accessible on the server and client for both players and NPCs, but it kind of sucks. Like there's no point because I'm already using this combat system framework and it's like I could just do it there inside of the dash skill and just like change its behavior depending on the context of whether it's on the server or client. So it's like, yeah, this is redundant. I could really just not do that. But all these like different classes you see, like game entity, game humanoid, game NPC, game player, they're all like kind of like rappers. Well, not game NPC, that's its own thing. Why is this a type number? Oh, what the heck. Alright. That's another thing I also like is the imports on VS Code. They're like better. It just works better. No point of specifying this anymore. They're all gonna use the same thing. Which probably just broke so many things. Yeah, what the heck. This is what I don't like, is making a bad decision and then having to pay the price. What is this sleepy music? I'm gonna fall asleep listening. What the flip? really not used? Okay. Hold on. I saw the chat. Spawn location? Yeah. Yeah. There's some line in here, yeah. It grabs the spawns and it puts the character at a random one. If you're in the studio right now, it's not gonna work because I've broken a lot of code. I broke a lot of code. But hopefully this will make things a lot easier. Because I personally do not want to go and search for a dash function inside of the wrapper class for a humanoid. This doesn't make much sense. Probably don't need that anymore. That's really nice, actually. Whoa. Who said the game would come out? Who knows? I could drop this game at any time because of, like, some stupid thing that happens. But, I mean, I haven't yet, but, like, I haven't gotten that far. Why are you using different application of code? It's just because, oh shoot, why is that buffering? Hold on, am I dropping frames? No, I'm not. Wait, what was the thing? Oh yeah. VS Code. I just like using VS Code more. It's really that simple. Yeah, it's pretty much Battlegrounds. I have a Trello actually with some ideas. Let me show you guys because maybe that would make it like a little more obvious. So I wrote a Trello a while ago while I was at work, with a couple of like different like concepts that I have. I don't know if I'm gonna add all of them, like the umbilical cable, because this is this might be problematic. But like I did have, there's like, yeah, I had this idea where like if you get hit with like certain grab moves, you have to go find a new cable or your cable will run out of power and you die. Berserk mode, that's just gonna be like a ultimate sync rate. I don't know. What did I actually forgot what I wrote for sync rate. Stop saying work like you have a job. Alright, bro. Oh yeah, okay, so sync rate will affect AT field, attack speed, and regen rate. So, like your M1s will... And I don't know if I'm gonna keep that feature, because it might be really bad, but I had the idea of like, you just have faster attack if you have a higher sync rate, but to have a higher sync rate, you have to actually deal damage, so it might be like really bad. I don't know. But it does increase AT field regen, which will be like a bar on the screen, and at a certain point you can just use it to deflect any attack. Oh yeah, and then sprinting will be like a mechanic in the game. Of course, like it's like, oh my god, your game has sprinting, but nah, like I think I'm gonna have like a limited stamina meter, and you'll also be able to do like a sprint tackle because this game doesn't have like a front dash. All the dashes are the same. Or there's a front dash. There's no like front dash M1. So I don't know. That's just the idea right now. But like I might change it. I might change some things. If the game ends up being like too slow, then I'll rethink how it's gonna work, because I don't. That was the problem with Devil Battlegrounds. It just felt like hella boring to play, and I was like, okay, I don't really want to work on this anymore. And I was just getting tired of it. I've been working on it for like, I don't know, like a year or two at that point. So it's like, sunk cost fallacy. How long am I really gonna work on this? What is up? What is up? Alright, what is that gonna break? That? Oh, there it is. Okay. What? Yo, the map has that many parts? Yeah. We're cooked. We're cooked. We're actually cooked. The the game is gonna explode on phones. Oh yeah, I've run into this like huge problem with the game already. So, you know how the character model is like really large? It would probably be better if like it actually worked, but I can't spawn in right now. But the character model is like really large, so if you turn your graphics down, the game still thinks like you're small, so it only renders things like within a smaller radius like than what you are. So like if you have like your graphics on 1, you'll see like about this far in front of you. It's like really bad, like really bad, and I don't know what to do about that yet. I might have to scale stuff down. UI animator, that is never coming out. I gave up on that. Does turning them into unions really help? I mean, it's just like it's not like the amount of vertices change or anything. So. Unless it's just really laggy to have a bunch of part instances. Which, I mean, would make sense, honestly, because you're storing more positional and size data and all that jazz. Making the buildings in Blender. That would probably be a lot more optimized. But then also, like, if I were to, for some reason, add, like, JJS kind of destruction, it wouldn't work. Except, really wouldn't work in that kind of game anyways, because there's no, like, elevation at all, so it's like, what's the point? Yeah, of course. Every game should be optimized. Otherwise, it's like no fun to play. Yeah. Bone Trousel. Bone Trousel. I forgot. Oh, look at all this garbage I've broken. Yeah, that's true. The creator thing. Vaporize buildings with one good attack. I mean, it would make sense if you're like setting off like an N2 mine. It's like, yeah, maybe that building should be vaporized. Also, it'd probably lag a lot less. What is all of this? I have not touched this class at all. Definitely don't need these two. Don't need that, don't need that. Probably doesn't make that much sense for this class to derive from game entity, but whatever. There's some functions. Excited for when dating starts. What does that mean? Snail race. Snail race goated. Goated track. I kind of forgot what it sounded like. Guess I'll hear it eventually, right? Whoa. Oh yeah, it's down there. Spook tune. It's like zip tune. Don't need that. Alrighty. Create game humanoid. Actually, create game humanoid. Might not be there. That should be a shared function. Actually, these really should all be. Create game humanoid. You should put raid push in the center of the map and it'll initiate instrumentality. Fire idea. It's the third impact. Remember Shatterbox thing? Destruction. Shatterbox. Oh! I've chatted with you. I think. I have bad memory. Yo, when they put in Gaster on the track, I'm trying to listen to that. My headphones died. That means you guys probably also can't hear desktop audio. Oh, that's not gonna refresh, is it? Am I cooked? Never mind. That works. Emotes? Oh, you gotta check out the most fire emote ever. Where did I put this garbage emote? Yeah, dude, we got emotes. Oh, we got emotes. It's an add-on. I have a few add-ons. Luau language server. Celine Stylua. Combined, they're good. There's this video by this YouTuber named Leaf. That's kind of loud. And I watched that, and it was like a good setup guide for VS Code, because I was really unhappy with the lack of like imports, having to manually type imports and stuff. That is also the same guy that inspired me to put the live stream back on. Hmm. Oh wait, okay. Current game AI. What the hell? That should be here though. Spooky music. Ooh. Game AI. Game AI. Okay, this should work though. And then we can do self create game AI. Wow. This is almost like ECS, not really. And now we can remove game humanoid from this dilemma. That's great. Left and right? Oh man. Left and right. It's like left, right, but left and right. I taught myself scripting. Just like made stupid stuff for years, and then like that got me to where I am today. You know, I don't know. If you're real, it's like it's with coding. If you're really interested into it, you'll find a way, and it takes years. Okay. Yeah, this is not good. Let's see. All right. Yeah, we're gonna need some local functions here. That's true. Sorry, if you don't understand why it crashed out right now, well, I'm not gonna tell you, but it's a good reason. Discord chat and DBG. Hold on. Oh, I've never chatted with you before. That was a different guy. Shatterbox. I think I've heard about it, yeah. Spooktune. Ziptune. Alright, that's good. What the hell is this, bro? There we go. Weird ass song. It's actually crazy how much like content was in Undertale. The thing with the Shatterbox thing that you sent me though is like what is with that that like frame or two where it's just the debris just disappears and then it respawns as like unanchored parts. That looks a little strange. Oh, this is the song, Zipton. This is the song. Alright. Now, maybe I've gotten myself out of this code structure crisis. I hope. I don't know what I'm listening to, but it's great. Temmie Village. Oh my god, Temmie. Wow, I'm actually surprised I've been able to sit upright for this long without putting my legs on the table like I always do. Let me turn the microphone. God, that is so annoying. Oh my god. Shit. I think my stream is dying. I can't tell. Man, I think I forgot to add a lot of things in Trove that might be bad. That's what I was forgetting. That could have been bad. Yep, this too. Oh wait, is that how I've been doing it? Alright, I will follow this pattern actually. I get like so annoyed when stuff looks a little different than how it like does in other places. Like this. It's like OCD. They just got a track in here called Ooh. Alright. That's funny. Show me the map. Show me the map. Show me the map. You know, because I'm a professional builder. I mean, I've built Legos a few times. One too many times. Media. It's not there yet. Oh, they're absolutely better tutorials than the Dev King. Yes, you are spot on about that. No shade to like Dev King or whatever, but yeah, there are. But like tutorials, overrated. Just read the documentation. Let's put this on the stream. Yeah, 3 days of work, huh? What do you mean 3 days of work? Would you put a part down every hour? What? Yo. What? Whoa. Dude, I just felt the rhythm there. I am coding character controller thing. Is it good? Dog. What you mean is it good, bro? There's nothing there! Where's the real map? I actually am using a framework for combat because like because it's a lot easier. It's this cool framework called WCS. Really good framework. And I'm liking it so much so far. Like I found it. I was really lucky I found this because I really like it a lot. And ReFX, made by the same guy. This is also really good for replicating like visual effects. These are both really good. They were made with Roblox TypeScript though, so if you're trying to like look through the code, it can be a little complicated because it's all transpiled. Well, constraint variables. Player hits? I have not got to player hits yet, but in Devil Battlegrounds, I use spatial querying. WCS is just a framework for making combat systems. So like you can create skills that replicate on the client and server. So you can just make a skill example, blocking skill. You define the skill, tell it what to do when it starts, when it ends on the server, and then you can like on the client you can make the character like perform different moves. It's really neat. I was really like happy when I found out about it because it meant I could save a lot of time, and it has saved me a lot of time. I've already added like blocking into the game, but I'm working on a lot of like lots of back end stuff right now, so like even when I do get the player to actually be able to spawn in again, it's there's not all that much to the game right now because we gotta get all the back end stuff working. But then it should be Gucci. Then it'd be, I can move on to like other features, like adding moves and stuff. If you don't know what something does, then you should read about it. That always helps. That always helps. Hmm. Pretty much a Battlegrounds game, yeah. It's pretty much what it is. I think I'll do some things differently though, for sure. The design of Tokyo 3 is hella cool. I agree. Oh yeah, that is definitely something I want to add is the angels. This is like bosses that spawn on the map because that would be really fun. Gang up on like Rameo. That'd be so cool. And then someone just gets like beamed by him. I don't know. Definitely on the bucket list. Oh, you mean tap back into the studio? I was like trying to look for it in my DM. I was like, what? What's he talking about? That makes sense. Okay, wait. Oh wait, I already had create game UI. Create game. Okay, wait. UI should be last, probably. Input should be last. Create game input. I'm sitting like a weirdo again. There we go. I have a really bad like habit with seating posture. I wish I can fix. I've actually been doing really good on this stream. I think. I actually don't remember. I don't remember sitting up like a weirdo yet. Add Kaoru? Yeah. Totally. Totally. He just flies around and just hijacks someone. Like what's he gonna do? Cool spin on the old bar is that once you fight, you can defense mechanism and call it on someone. That would be interesting. But I already want like Shinji to go like berserk. Or Ava 01, I guess. Unit 1. I'm considering if I should actually call the characters in the game like Ava 01 or just put Unit, because like well, it's not very inspired if I just write Ava. It's more like blatantly copying. More like a cease and desist letter at my front door. Yeah, they're gonna wipe my game off the face of the planet. That too, yeah, might suck. Yeah, I'll put Unit 1, or instead of Ava, yeah, Unit 1. I think the angels I don't have to change. I can still put like 4th angel, whatever. Satchel. I do not want to build a satchel model. That is gonna suck butt. Absolute butt. It's gonna look like trash if I built it. It took me like 2 days, like straight, to build the stupid Ava model. with the normal Roblox character head. This took the longest right here. Is this the secret boss song? No way. Blender. Blender. That is parts. Those are Roblox parts. TypeScript better? I don't want to learn that. Does if you use Lua TypeScript, are you able to just like and use like React? Are you able to just straight up use React or like? Because or I know you still have to probably use like React Lua, but can you write the elements with like the triangle brackets and stuff? I don't actually know. I don't know much about Lua TypeScript. It does look interesting. Might want to try it one day. TS? The shit. That's pretty neat. That's honestly pretty neat because making a bunch of Lua files with like tables that are supposed to be React elements, it's like it's okay, but it's like weird to do. I don't know. Not a huge fan, but I do use React Lua in this game. It's worked pretty well for me so far. I really like the storybook plugin, which oh you can't see it here. That lets you like preview the UIs and stuff. Didn't I have a set character function? Ah. The type checker is gonna give me a hard time on this. Or, I don't know. Type checkers? I don't think that's the right word. Damn, what am I gonna do about that? Are we talking about the character model? It, where the hell did everything go? What? What? Where did everything go? Oh, okay. I was like staring at this. It actually kind of already is rigged. Well, it's a R15 character. It's really low effort because I don't know how I'm not good at modeling and doing other stuff. So we have a shitty R15 character with stretched out limbs, and it works all right. I don't know if I'll replace the model in the future though. I might, but or I might just keep it like the shitty JJS style because it's fun. I don't know. I can't define game local player here. Well, actually, I probably could. Man, this is the thing I hate. It's like I need this to be globally accessible, but I just hate globals. Globals are the worst. Like I want just to be just, player controller dot game local player, but like it's not. I don't know why it's not working right now. Or I do. Actually, wait, what is this? Wait, is this why it's bugging out? Am I stupid? Why is it asking for a thing I literally do not have? I am so, like, brain damaged, I think. This is not supposed to be defined yet. Aw, shit. Wait, oh, this is bad. Oh, no. Hey, you got that one, Noodle? It might have been a bad idea to make this class inherit from the entity one. That might have been stupid. Or we make it an optional parameter. Oh, yeah. Oh, that... No, wait. No, no error. Oh my god. So stupid. That is actual garbage. Alright, whatever. Do I have that? Okay, it should be character... Game character name. I guess we just do game character. And then self.game character. I don't know, I really probably shouldn't have called that game character for it just being a table entry in a map. Oh no, that still does not fix the issue. Oh no! Don't think I need this. Do I have an on-died function? Why, yes, I do. Death by glamour. That's tough. Can I just define this with it being null? Oh, I don't think it's gonna like that. I guess that works. I mean, this code technically should never fail because it only starts listening after this is ever created, so... But it also feels jank. Am I dumb? Might be dumb. I don't know why I was trying to define the type there. I don't even think you can do that. Now I can fix this. When did I load these? Wait. What the hell? Get this off my screen. They're never loaded. Okay. Well, that's lovely. I'm actually gonna go insane. I think I deleted the thing that loaded the animations. So I don't know where I'm gonna do that now. And this is not a thing. Why is the elevator song? I have one idea for a solution, but it's so ass. Wait, okay, maybe I might be able to hijack something here. Game humanoid. Okay, wait. This seems so bad. This idea. That is. I can technically do. Is that private? Wait, that should be like the one thing that shouldn't be private. Well, unless you create two animation loaders. Actually, I'll just do that. Yeah, I'll just do that. That's easier. So one can be an animation loader for humanoid animation, and one could be for client-specific animations that are also skills like dashing. That should work. Where are the dash animations stored? Wait. Humanoid. They are? Okay. Next stream do a building one? I can't build. I don't build. I script. I don't build. Wait. Wait. Oh, I'd have to overwrite that. Okay. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. And I just realized this is the wrong name in here. Local game player. This should be game local player. Great. And instead of loading this, it should load client moveset animation. In a minute. Get it? That was like a Grug reference. I just don't want to lose my train of thought. I'm sure you'd want to see the building. It's probably much more interesting. Alright, let's see this. Whoa! These are buildings. We have definitely lost the JJS style, though. But honestly, that's probably for the better. Wow, look at this tree. Very tree-like. Yeah, I'd assume it's a little more optimized than the 10 bajillion part building models. He'd have to make like a separate model of it being like destroyed, or like just the like foundation part. And only like really big events would be able to destroy models or um elements. Yeah. 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 Alright, there we go. Now we don't gotta do that. And we can do current animation loader. Get tracks. Okay, that might work, honestly. Do you want to have a bad time? Ooh, now to encounter all the 50 gajillion errors. Did I see purple in the sky? Yo. What the hell? I think the building is broken. Wow, he's become what he hates the most. The guy that forgets to anchor things. Ah, you gotta love typos, man. You gotta love typos. Ancestry changed. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I actually didn't type that. Actually, I'm quite sure I didn't type that. Tried to use WCS, head exploded. It's really simple, just read the docs. Is that purple I see? Guess I wouldn't know. I'm in like the void of nothingness. What? Oh. Client move set. That is so true. That is like me. I was like, man, I wish I knew about this when I made Devil Battlegrounds. Devil Battlegrounds. Devil Battlegrounds. No! No! Why is my character still not spawning in? I probably like just forgot entirely to make it spawn. Best track in the game right here. Wait, this is not. Oh, rest in piss. I think my Roblox is done for. Hello, Roblox. Good thing all the code is on the on my own computer. Another plus of having Rojo. You don't have to deal with this BS and losing all your progress. I guess I will force restart studio because it's... Oh, nope, we're back. I actually have no idea why that happened though, which is like not good. Now, because now I have to run the game again. Okay, but it stopped. Wow, I cannot whistle those pitches and it sounds like buns. We're passing imaginary parameters now. W. What? That's a shared function. No, it's over. Oh. So it's not inheriting things, right? Because why is that happening? Yeah, actually, that makes a lot of sense. It is, in fact, not inheriting correctly. Who would have thunk? It's not doing it here either. Wow, I don't know how I forgot that. We're talking about the same WCS here. Wait, I'm retarded. Oh, in fact, I am. Oh, what a... That's why. What you mean no delay between server and client? What are you talking about? Oh, my character's back, but he's a little glitched. Just a tad. Oh, god damn it. Alright, now I'm gonna have to wait 10 years for this to stop. Yes, I am using the WCS framework. It's actually goated. It is actually goated. Useful abstraction. You should check it out if you haven't seen it. Cause like, it's goated. I'm gonna get water! Man, I got the most miserable flavor of popcorners imaginable. If you eat sea salt popcorners, you probably don't like yourself. Actually, it's not that bad. Should look on the light side. W gradient. Although, I wonder what it looks like with no window gradient. Well, look good. Oh. I see. What about a less intense gradient? There's probably a hella stream delay. I think that looks better. How the hell did that get there? um, I swear I do not remember writing that. Yeah, it should be game character. A really game character name, but whatever, I'm not changing it. Even for as misleading as it is. Oh, yes, and then it's trying to find a non-existent function. Where's the AI? So instead we need to get rid of that. Okay, we can do WCS character. And then WCS character get move get ability skill from string dash. I hate how the IntelliSense doesn't work there. If only they actually exported types. Start. And then put this arbitrary dash vector and we'll see if it does something. Or it'll just give me errors. Tempting. What the hell? Oh, that's not good. Maybe I should stop spawning in 10 NPCs at a time. That's probably why the game, or why there keeps being Stack Overflow error. Popcorners. Oh no, now it's gonna give me this. Am I doing this wrong? Let's check the API. Oh no, wait. But the error was like you couldn't. There was no WCS character. I just realized. So it's probably a problem with the game NPC class under create game AI. Okay, this should definitely be defined first. Then it should be current character. Then it should be current WCS character. I'm not a fan of writing self out so much, but it's whatever. Wait. What the hell am I writing? Wait a minute, why is that there? Actually, I just realized. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that should be it. Oh my god. Attempted next one will start. Okay. Oh, it's because it's Ava dash, not just dash. That's why. Oh, I'm brain dead, man. I'm actually brain dead. And then I don't know what the next error is gonna be. Oh, it's a few different things. And oh, okay. I've broken all animations. It is. It's pretty good. This has some real Earthbound vibes. Is the map good? No. You're a hater. Me when someone disagrees with my opinion. I'm lost in the dryness of these popcorners. LCL? LCL fluid? Ionizing LCL. Wait, what is that profile picture? Is that Ray? Is it just me, or is it like when in the original show when like Ray smiles, it's just so creepy. Like I actually got like creeped out when Shinji says like you can start by smiling. It's actually like so like uncanny. It is Ray? Okay. Ray. I just realized my mic probably picks up the annoying ass bag sound. I think so too, but like definitely struck me as odd. Wait a minute, sorry. Hmm? How could that be? W. Should I make it so like trees can get destroyed? I probably will. What is redo of healer? Must be bad. Bro cannot spell. Bro cannot. This is another really good track. It's probably gonna print no, but why? Why? Why is he jumping like that? That's actually so weird. Why is it returning no? Yeah, for sure. Zippy zip tune. Is create animation loader being called some other time? Right, is this one being called, right? Like I'm so confused. Yeah, it is. So then why in the world is this null? Bro doesn't know what evangelion. However, bro doesn't know. It is a show. Oh, maybe it's because the character I'm passing is null somehow. That would make sense. Chill anime. Yep. It is very chill. Tree. I had the card somewhere. I don't know where it is. It was like the 23rd. I don't remember the time. 1 second, chat. You like that? You like that? Hello. Character, game character, WCS character. Love having the character and all in the words makes it very understandable. Yeah, this is right. So I don't know why it's no then. What do you mean it's me? So this just doesn't exist. Alright. So I guess the server is passing something wrong then, because why else would this be like this? Yep, it is. Wow, I'm very smart. I don't think it's supposed to do that. Huh. Oh, I've managed to break the entire game. What? I think my internet just self-destructed there. And YouTube likes to preemptively end live streams without like letting you do it yourself. So did it like resend a post notification? I really hope it didn't. Why is he sliding across the ground like this? Bro has no motion. Absolutely no motion. I keep putting underscore character for some reason. When I shouldn't be. Underscore character. Yeah, it should be underscore current character. Current WCS character. Current. Wow. WCS character. Let's see if it's anywhere else. Lovely. Get better Wi-Fi. Get free Wi-Fi anywhere you go. I should do that. What? What? Instance value. This is not an instance value. Let's print it to the console and see. Oh. Wow, that's great. It is an instance. Whoa, it doesn't lie. Would you believe that? I've seriously broken way too much code today. And this is not resetting. Why is this here? It's useless, okay. What other things have I broke? Okay, well the UI has come back, so that's gotta be worth something. I mean, that's cool. Oh, another attempt to call instance value. Okay. Oh. Never learn. No, no, no. Don't say that. Don't say that. Hold on, I'll look. I don't know what's goal bound? Okay, so all the character animations are broken. I actually don't know why that's happening. Ooh. That's good. Let me check something real quick. God, it's buns. What is goal bound? I'm so confused. Oh, okay. Makes sense. Sports games on Roblox seem to be popular. Bro froze it a little too well. What the hell? um, why is that there? I just realized how like dumb that is. Very dumb. That must have just been some random thing I copy pasted from my other code. Yeah. What the hell? The buffering is so bad, bro. I can see it out of the corner of my eye. I'm thinking of two things. One, the stream actually just dying from what I see, and the other is the amalgamation of code that I have created. That's funny. Oh my god, this is like so annoying to think about. Oh my god. Bro probably built like 3 whole parts and called it a day. This has to be the biggest rage bait ever. Okay. I don't think it's the best. I just enjoy it. I look like I'm having fun? Oh, okay. I don't like that all that much. Yeah. I like having to declare the random number there, but oh, nice. I am not working on TVG. It is gone! Protein shake. Which is crazy, honestly, because I never thought I'd actually give up on the game, but then I did. I thought I had that in the bag. No. Do you even know how to use React? I am afraid Devil Battlegrounds is dead and buried. I actually forgot what I was doing. That seems to be something I do a bit. Okay, this is the AI. Reboot card. Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. Jason, you ain't tripping. Why is that passing through? That's not right. What the hell parameters are coming through here, dude? I'm actually, like, so confused. Which is bad. What? Oh, I'm so done, bro. Oh my god. Yes, that is exactly what it is doing. Now give me a moment. Ay caramba! I'm back. Maybe. The chair gift. The chair gift. It's definitely one of the gifts of all time. Why is this in the soundtrack? Coming straight from your house. Dude, I loved Chapter 3. It was actually so good. Evil ads. The Lee Hampson III YouTube channel is in fact monetized. But this game's R15. You upgraded? Dude, why am I bamboozled by this? I'm like genuinely bamboozled by this. I cannot think straight. I'm thinking more, and this is the worst thing I do. I think more about me thinking than actually just doing the thinking part. Oh my god. This is the worst habit ever. Oh shoot. Like, why is Origin C-frame giving a part? Wait. Ava Dash on Star Server. Am I doing that? Am I passing the root part? Like an actual goblin? Like an actual moron? Wow, I am. Okay. Well. Peak of male stupidity right here. Darwin's your goat? Dude, Darwin is like, the worst thing to, like, ever exist. And, please clip that and show it to him. Because we must eliminate Darwin. Alright, well. I think that effect is in fact working. Well, maybe not for me, but it might be for it. Dude, why did the animations break? You know, maybe I should, like, focus on fixing that. Maybe. It might be necessary. Blind following blind. That might be true. Where is create game humanoid? What is it? Why is it like actually broken? Did I forget to like pass a parameter? There are some oh, that's not it. Game humanoid. Ah, okay. This just never calls the initialization function. That's lovely. Did you steal animation? No. They're my own shitty animations. Animation loader must contain animation idle. No, why did I delete the Ava one? This thing doesn't preload animations. Oh, and I think I know why. Okay. I think I might have to pass animations into this. Okay, wait. Let's do a few things here. First, let's actually separate these functions because this is like annoying to look at. Actual eyesore of code right here. So we can pass self, yep, and an animator. We found models from that one game you sent me. What? What are you talking about? Wait, that one game. Oh, I might know. I guess that's just a testament to how good Evangelion is. What is this? We don't talk about that. We don't talk about that. That is so not real. Never diss Evangelion again. Ziptune, have you even watched past the second episode? Well, you should. It's good. That rhymed. No! Who let Hollow in here? Who let Darwin in here? It's over. We're cooked. Darwin, my goat. Okay. This guy goes like he's trying to go like straight to flaming me, bro. Oh my god. Like Darwin is a generational hater. Drove is it's a cleanup function. So you can just put a bunch of like objects in here, and when you go to destroy the object, it'll also destroy, for instance, this animation loader and humanoid animation thing, controller, whatever you want to call it. It's just so you don't have to manually track it all, because that becomes one, a hassle, and two, like a cluster. Why'd I think this was a video like you never upload? Ha 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 ha! Good one, Darwin. I like that one. I don't know what you're talking about. You're acting like I call people bad words when I don't. Like I've, like it's crazy. I've never said a bad word in my life. That would rage me so mid. I know he always be repeating the same stuff. Like honestly, he needs to get some like original insults. What if we retreat together? Can you not do that? Can you not join forces and rage bait? Not rage baiting, right? He's not joking, guys. He's being completely real right now. I'm just me, yep. You can't make me crash out. That's impossible. Six, seven. 6'7", 6'7". Nice dead meme, guys. I don't do that. I don't do that. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, I don't know what you... The GIF? There's no GIF. Is this slowed down Rude Buster? What am I listening to? I have the GIF too. No, you don't. We're spreading fake information now. Why are we spreading fake information? I don't beg you girls to praise my intelligence. This is not true. Oh my god. The McDonald's DoorDash. I pay my employees the finest packing peanuts. You're such a smart boy. Well, I appreciate the compliment. That was ChatGPT. You better not get caught lacking saying that, man. Might be over for you. I know, right? That's a good one, Darwin. Hey, dab me up for that. One has to wonder. I strongly believe she's AI. She's actually a neural network I created. Yeah. That's a crazy thing to say about another human being. Yeah. Why am I loading the animations here? Why am I not loading the animations here? ChatGPT? Because it's funny. Because I heard it one time, or I hear it from this one guy I watch, the Primogen. He calls it ChatGPT, and I thought that was funny, so now I call it ChatGPT. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Don't tell her that, because sentient AIs don't really like being like called out like that. Yeah. That was a test. Yeah. Gotta watch the live replay of that. Holy cow, my stream is hella delayed. Or did I miss the part where I snapped? No, it's just really that delayed. Okay, wow. Careful. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yippee! 1 second, guys. I think you should sleep, probably. Best beverage ever. Mountain Dew Baja Blast. You ever just eat French fries with a fork? What do you mean dinner again? You're right, it's my 21st dinner. This stream delay is something else, man. I don't think I'll stop eating. ASMR video. I actually don't need to code grass because Roblox already has grass in the game. What the hell? I'm not pregnant. Are you calling me fat? Are you calling me fat? Broccoli here. Dude, I'm not even that fat. What the hell? I don't blame Zipton. I'll have you know I do go to the gym every day. Y'all are weird, bro. Y'all are weird. Damn. My trash can might be overflowing now. Why? I don't know how that could happen. It's not like food wrappers or anything. That'd be crazy. You know, like how Plankton has Karen? That's me. That's me. For sure, for sure. Oh, nice one. Oh, I just realized that does have really odd implications. Yeah, I didn't mean it like that. What? This is true. Get this man true. Yes, I did just look up there. What's up, Blue? You know the ladies actually swoon over me, right? I think I liked that more, yeah. You want to see my locked in face? Alright, here we go. That's my locked in face. People kind of say I have the craziest jawline ever. I think I need to stop reading the chat. Yeah, I think I do. Liam's full name is William. No, it's not. Ow! Ow! Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm not reading chat. Oh. I just scratched some acne on my back. That hurt. Jason. I feel like I do recognize that name. Kind of. I won't be. Let's be honest, guys. When I become famous, I'm switching up on all of my day ones. All of my day ones. Specifically Ziptune. I will be switching up on Ziptune. What a cool track. I love the Tenna boss theme. False. I am the animator. We all know that I am the animator. And that I make some of the best animation ever to ever exist. Everybody knows this. This is like common knowledge, I'm pretty sure. Game entity. Yes. Freaky Eva emote. They're deleted. Game humanoid? Was that it? Yeah, that was it. You know, it'd be really good as a programmer is like if I had, like memory, like okay, if I didn't have short-term memory loss. Like I kid you not, I genuinely think I have short-term memory loss. Like pretty like bad short-term memory loss too. Like it's like it's actually concerning how fast like I forget things. I wish I didn't, but Oh, this just reminded me I have some unfinished business. And yes, I don't I just opened the wrong chapter. God damn it. And yes, I do not have the shadow cloak or whatever it is. No, I just have some unsettled business with the #1 op. I don't know what you mean. I'm locked in. Absolutely murked. This absolute maggot. No, hold on. I'm sorry. I gotta stand on top of business. Not like this, man. TP maxing. All right. Well, where was I? Nah, you don't need it if you're a pro like me. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I was cooking him. He was definitely getting cooked. Well, until I got murked, but you know, always not locked in. All right, bro. This is false, by the way. Everybody knows I am locked in. Pretty sure it's fact. Oh, oh, god damn it. Oh my god. Alright. Oh man. Geeked Hampson the Third. What? I'm not geeked, bro. Not geeked. Man, you know, I really thought, you know, I could stand on business, bro, with that with the Dark Knight, the Roaring Knight, cutscene night, but nah, bro. Yeah, I kinda got my ass handed to me. I won't lie. You know, but what can you do? Why are you so unawesome? All right, bro. So we're lying. Couldn't even stand on business. That's so true. That's the, you know, I can't argue against that. Like, I did not stand on business there. And yes, I am disappointed. No, I will not be playing Jet Set Radio. My brother played that game. I need to stop screwing on the cap, but also I should. What if I knock it over? But then I'm also too lazy. Or I don't like having to repeatedly unscrew the cap. God, if only there was a cup that like had this thing that you could suck the liquid through, but it also doesn't spill as easily. Man, that'd be like $1 million idea. You think you're funny writing that comment? That's not funny. Don't put that in my chat again, you're getting banned. Attempt to index null with get children. Now this is some absolute baloney. No! Crooklyn's back. No. 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 No, no, no. Yeah, I do have brain damage. No, I don't. Dead chat. Ha 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 ha, Darwin. Hey, Darwin, going. Dead chat. You're a comedian, aren't you? Wait, no, I have like half brain damage. Please stop scratching the ever-loving shit out of me, Loki. Oh, okay, so we got a comedian. I can't keep you alive either, Darwin. Oh my god, finally. Holy crap. Except that still doesn't work. Is that a Z fighting I see? Oh yeah. So this is the thing I was talking about with graphics quality. It's not very good. Actually can't see anything like in front of you at all because the character is just that large. Like I'm assuming if you were a small player, I guess you'd be fine, but let's see. What if I was smaller? It might take me a hot minute to get there. Let's say I'm this size. You know, honestly, you still really can't see all that much. That's a little weird. Where did that go? uh, oh my god, I'm on Dude Perfect. That'd be cool. Kind of like JJS items that just show up randomly. But I think I'm gonna make guns like a part of the moves, so I don't know. I might not though. Or I don't know. Because it'd be kind of sick if Shinji just pulls a sniper rifle out. Current animation loader, not a thing. Brooklyn and Darwin quantitate. This is true. Hello, K6. I think my stream is going to shit itself. What actually just happened there? All right. Chopped hairline, bro. What the hell? Whatever. Dude, if I shaved all my hair, I'd have a crazy head front and it'd be really bad. It would be very, very bad. Okay, there is an animation loader, so I don't know why. The best builder. So we're lying. No. What? Game local player? I'm not. who said I wanted to go and edit a video? That is like the one thing I hate doing the most. Editing videos. My god, bro. I hate editing videos. And it's not even like I'm the worst like at it or anything. It's just it's so boring. A nice profile picture, Darwin. I really like that one. You're really a fanboy, huh? The control devil. Is Fel the control devil? Maybe. I need this. I need this speed. My mom is kind of homeless. Oh my god. My internet connection is actually fighting for its life right now. My God. Anything but a consistent bitrate, bro. My God.